Hello dear learner. In the second part of the Excel, we are going to move ahead for doing some basic operation for your academic purpose. Okay, this is data where you have to uh, do some operations. Okay, and I will show first of all count, how to count. Okay, count regarding count options. Count option. Suppose this is my data. I will color it. Okay, this is my data. Okay, and there are, suppose I would like to how many numbers within it in this table. Suppose if you calculate it one by one, and if the data is very large, then it is not possible to calculate it accurately. Okay, at that time, if you use the Excel, and within Excel, if you apply the count function, then automatically we will get the correct number within it. You can see that one, two, three numbers have here, but when the data is more, at that time it is not possible to count it. Okay, what I had done, just where you decide where do you want to get the correct answer or correct data. Okay, uh, each and every time whenever you will do within Excel, at that time begin with the equal options. Okay, without equal options it could not take the command what you have to do. Okay, always remember it. I have equal, what I have to do then, count. Yes, count. Look at here, when you type the count here, the different type of formula arise. What I have to do, I have to use this count function. In this case, when it show the highlight with blue color, then click to tab, then formula will be arise. Okay, and then select all the range. Okay, and then close the bracket. After that, just enter. You can see that three numbers we have get. In this way, we can count different type of number from here. Suppose if you want to count means 1, 2, 3, likewise. In this way, if you want to count the data, at that time count function will be useful. Okay, then blank count I will show you. Suppose if you want to blank count blank. Okay, I will select now count blank and tab. Okay, you can see that manually 1 and 2 here not in number with that blanks. Okay, I will select all the data. I will close the enter, and you will get the how many blanks. Okay, 1 and 2, two cells are blank. This why I am showing this with taking small example, only for you understand. You can take this large data. Okay, suppose I will show here. No, okay, and I will write here please, sorry, do it. Okay, suppose this is one of data now. Okay, and I will type here. I don't know. This is one sheet, and I will border it, and also I will color it for your understanding. Okay, and I will take the center also. Then you will understand, and I will just highlight my font also. Okay, you can see here. I will just decrease for looking. Okay, I think that now you are able to see my new sheet. Okay, in this sheet, okay, suppose if you want to find out how many numbers and how many blank cell, okay, both way I will count it. Okay, equal to count. First formula I am using the count. Okay, and I will select the data. Selection is very important, and then I will close bracket. I will get the numbers. How many numbers? You can 8 numbers. Count it manually. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. In this way, you can get the accurate number. And suppose I don't know how many blanks cell within this data. Okay. Then again, I will go to equal to count. What I have to count now? I have to count only the blank cell within this data. Then I will select this formula count blank, and then I will press to tab. Formula will be appear before me, and after that you have to select all the data, and then close the bracket and enter. You can see that there are 11 um, cells are empty. You can count manually, you will get confidence. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and 11. Okay, in this way Excel give us accurate figure, and that's why Excel is very important. Now you have learned the count and count functions. Okay, now I will show you about the max, mean, and average and sum. Okay, first of all I will show you about the sum function key. What you have to do, suppose you, this is your data, this is the data about the students. Okay, from June, July, August, total, average, maximum, many more things has been given here. Okay, and I will add one more. I will delete it first of all. Okay, and suppose if you want to sum of, okay, sum, and I will delete this all the data. Suppose this is data have been Annapure, non-Annapure, and so many students. Okay, male, gender, place, all this explained here, and their data, their information, July, June to August. Okay, and total whatever it may be, it might be income or whatever. I have taken here just as well. What I say to you for only example. And if you want to get the total of it, it means that total means we need a sum. We need to calculate the sum. Okay, and all this data we have to get the sum. First of all, has given total, average, max and min. You have to get from this data. What will, where I have to click here, I will select the cell. It is the active cell. Then again I will use the equal to sign, and after that I will use the sum formula at the time. Okay, and then tab. Okay, then what I will do, I have to calculate June, July, and August 3 months data of Abhinav Annapure. Then I will select all the data. Selection is very important, and I will close the bracket and I enter. I have got the calculation of 3 months. Okay, how many? 40,500. Okay, and suppose if you want to calculate same uh, as per Abhinav's Pranav, Balaji, Pranali, Madhuri, then there is no need to apply again some formula to me. Excel apply automatically the further uh, action, okay, accurately. Then just drag and drop here. I will get all the data automatically. In this way, some function will be very useful. Suppose if you want to calculate the average of 3 months, okay, then I will equal to average. Now I would like to select this one. Okay, then I will press to tab and then select the 3 months. Okay, data. Then again I close the bracket, enter. I have got the average of June, July, August of Abhinav Anna for his data. Then automatically I will get the average of automatically remaining students or remaining persons. Okay, in this way Excel is very useful. After that, uh, suppose if you want to get the maximum, suppose June, July, August within the number, when you see the manually 7,000 amount is very largest rather than 300 and 400, 4,500. Okay, uh, only we can see or we can get the answer accurate if data is very small or very less. But when data is very large at that time, it is not possible to count the maximum number within it accurately. At that time, try to use the max function of the Excel. What you have to do, just equal to max. Okay, and I will select max and I will select data, then close bracket and enter. You can look that from the 7,000 is the largest, and I have accurately 7,000 maximum number from up, from 3 months. Okay, then and likewise, if I want to get the maximum amount or maximum figure from entire person, then what I will do, I will just drag it and automatically I will get from each person's largest data, largest amount, maximum amount. Look at here 3,000 from you have get Madhuri, 100, 1,200, 11, 1,100 and 300. Out of them 300, 3,000 is largest, and automatically you will get 3,000. We don't follow here repeatedly the max function. Once I will use max, automatically I will get the remaining data accurately. This is the benefit of Excel. Okay. Likewise, mean, you can equal to mean. Okay, and then tab, then I will select data which I want to get from which data I want to get the mean value. Okay, then I'll close the bracket, enter, and I will just select the data plus symbol will appear there and will drag. In this way, we can get the mean also. Many formulas are available within Excel. You can use uh, as per your requirement, as per your need, what you have to do, which operation you have to do. Uh, in this regard, Excel will be really useful to you. Thank you very much. Remaining part we will learn in the next video.